Defending ISSA DaCosta Cup champions Clarendon College continued their relentless march to retaining their title following a 13-1 thrashing of Kellits High in their encounter at Effortville Sports Complex on Thursday. They were inspired to victory by hat-tricks from Kaheem Dixon and Malachi Douglas, along with double strikes from Christopher Hull and Tedwayne Williams. The Chapelton-based school made it 6 wins from as many games with a positive goal difference of 36. Kellits can take some comfort from the fact that they are the first team to pierce the Lenny Hyde coached team or any Lenny Hyde coached team defense for the season.
We're disappointed moment. We gave up our clean sheet today. We won the game 13-1. But how the team played, I'm pleased. We made a number of passes today, past the quota that we set out to do. We scored some beautiful goals. But we're just building. We brought in some new players in the team, some debutants, and they scored also. So it all goes well for the future for this team and the players. So it was a generally good performance.
Elsewhere on the day, Annotto Bay played out a 2-2 draw with Wycliffe Martin. St. Mary High clipped Horace Clark 1-0. Tacky edged St. Mary Technical 2-1, while Tatius Golding did not show to complete their game against Garva Maceo, who were leading 7-0. Iona High were awarded a 3-0 victory over Curran Hall, who failed to show. Manchester High were put on a goal-scoring clinic. They did put on a goal-scoring clinic in their 12-0 demolition of Cross Keys. Javier Newman hit a 3-timer, while there were 2 goals each for Adrian Campbell, Michael Reed and Tyrese Douglas. Frome Technical were big 8-1 winners over Cambridge High, while former champions Racees and Green Island battled to a 0-0 draw. Meanwhile, former champions Kingston College clipped Hydel High 1-0 in Thursday's action from the Urban Area Manning Cup. Also in the group, Calabar handed out a 7-0 hammering of Penwood, thanks to a 3-timer from Jaheim Rankin. Jose Marti were 2-0 winners over Waterford, while Campion College breezed past Pembroke Hall 5-0.